Only one hand.
Ready? Go, one hand.
And you gotta hold the bottom.
Alright, ready?
Get your hand up.
Pull.
One hand, man.
One-handed.
Come on, keep
Keep
saying one
pulling,
hand.
Georgie. Keep going.
Pull, ready, go.
Pull.
Go.
Trying.
Pull hard.
Pull harder, you want the bigger
Okay,
hand?
use both hands
Pull.
at the bottom. Put both hands at the bottom.
Both hands, both of you.
At the bottom. Okay, now go.
Put it over your
That's okay.
Mia, both hands on your own side.
Pull.
Pull. Keep pulling. Somebody's not pulling their weight. Marissa, stop watching TV, please. Pull.
Alright, just pull as hard as you can towards you, Marissa. Just pull. There you go.
Go.
Man, guys.
I don't think it's dry.
She's not strong enough.
Oh, she's strong enough. I don't think it's dry enough.
Maybe.
Wow, that's a hard one.
Oh, okay, I think we should
Put your hands
enlist
up
team
higher.
help.
Put your hands up higher and pull.
Team help.
No. Higher on the bone.
Marissa and
Ready?
Mia both pick
Yeah,
a
there you
partner.
go.
Higher on the bone. Ready? Last one. Ready?
All right, ready,
Go.
go.
Pull.
There you go. Yeah, bend it, man. Bend it, Marissa, bend it.
Twist.
I think it would be broken by now.
Marissa, bend it towards you. No, bend it towards you.
No,
There you go.
I think it's not dry enough.
This is hilarious.
Oh my.